CPaT's portfolio of courses is the most robust in the industry and is supported by four main pillars: Access, Instruct, Invent, and Assist. This video focuses on Instruct, and specifically CPaT's training courseware for aircraft systems. At CPaT, you'll find over 100 aircraft system courses designed to meet your training needs, whether it's for initial, recurrent, differences, or transition training. And with 32 fleets and counting, you are sure to find the course you need. With CPaT, you can make these courses your own through custom tailoring to match your company's specific brand, aircraft configurations, and unique training needs. And using CPaT Invent, you can also modify lessons. Within the CPaT lesson, your students will experience an unparalleled learning environment created by pairing research-based instructional strategies with detail-rich content and meaningful interactive practices. Each lesson begins with clearly defined learning objectives so students know what to expect. And to make complex content easier to understand and retain, information is chunked into meaningful units and supported by high-resolution graphics. To further support learning, students have multiple ways to interact with the content. They will hear and read the narration.
The ND part of the EFIS control panel has many controls.
See the visual support and do the interactions. Research shows that giving students control over their learning environment increases performance. And that's why in a CPaT lesson, students have control over the pace of their learning. Students can pause the narration, replay the narration, and revisit previous pages. Instruct mode does not allow students to advance to the next page until narration and interactions are complete. In review mode, however, students are encouraged to navigate between topics to lock in learning. And well-timed knowledge checks help students gauge their comprehension. They also help keep students engaged in the lesson. What's more, using the menu or quick study guide, students can easily revisit topics if they feel they need additional time learning the material. And finally, using the comment feature, students can provide valuable feedback about the lesson to their training administrator. Thanks to a foundation in proven instructional methodology, a comprehensive portfolio of aircraft fleets and courses, plus the ability to tailor courses to your unique standards, CPaT aircraft system courses are the best choice for your initial, recurrent, differences, and transition training. Contact us today to get started.